Now students, come to our format or pro forma of revaluation account. We will draw the ledger of revaluation account. In debit side we will write decrease in value of assets. Its opposite will go to the credit side, like increase in value of assets. Increase in value of liability we will record debit, so decrease in value of liability we will record in credit. Unrecorded liability we will record in debit, so unrecorded assets we will record in credit side. At the last we will find our difference. If difference will come debit side, we will write here profit on revaluation transfer to old partners capital or current account, A and B in old ratio. Then in credit side, if difference come, we will write here loss on revaluation transfer to old partners capital or current account, A and B in old ratio. Students, we assume here A and B are old partner and C is new partner. Now we will make partners capital account. First of all, we will write opening capital of old partner by balance BD. Then we will write new partners capital by bank account, by premium for goodwill if new partner bring goodwill in cash, by new partners current account if goodwill does not bring in cash, by general reserve fund, workman compensation fund, investment fluctuation reserve. These items will given in liability side of balance sheet in our question, so we will distribute in old ratio. Revaluation account, if profit we will write here. Now come to the debit side, goodwill account. If goodwill already appear in balance sheet, it means it will given in asset side, so we will distribute in old ratio. To bank account, if goodwill withdrawn by old partner. Advertisement suspense account, it also given in asset side, so we will distribute in old ratio. Revaluation account, if loss, at the last we will find our difference. This is called balance CD. Students, liability side item we will write in credit side, and asset side item we will write here in debit side. Now students, come to our balance sheet. Cash, adjusted cash we will write. Balance sheet cash we will not record here. Furniture, or if any assets given or we charge depreciation, that time we will deduct it from related item. Land and building, debtors, less provision. So students, we assume these items here only. Employee provident fund we will write creditors capital ABC from capital account. Students, this capital we return from capital account balance CD debit side. At the last we will make working note cash account balance BD. This is the opening cash, it given in our balance sheet. New partners capital, premium for goodwill. In credit side we will write old partners capital if goodwill withdrawn by old partner. At the last we will find our balance CD. Thank you students.